Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today we are going to be making vegetable stew with goat meat. So let's get right into the video. So in here I have my tomatoes, onions and fresh pepper. So I'm going to blend everything together just like this. Then I will set aside. So into a clean pot, I'm going to add in my goat meat. After adding the goat meat, I will go in with the scotch bonnet pepper and chopped onions. Then I will go in with my seasoning, curry powder, nutmeg and thyme. So I'm going to add it, then add in some salt. After adding some salt, I'm going to add water. Then after adding water, I'm just going to stir and let it cook until it is very soft and tender. So at this point, goat meat is nicely cooked. So I'm just going to stir a little, then set this aside. Into another pot, I'm going to add in some palm oil and vegetable oil. Then I will allow this to hot a little. Then I'll go in with some chopped onions, then sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So next is to go in with my tomato paste. After adding it, I'm going to fry this for about 5 to 8 minutes. So next, I added some seasoning and curry powder. I'm going to mix this up together. So at this point, I'm going to add in my tomato mix. Then after adding it, I'm going to stir, then cover it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I'll just let it cook until it's a little bit dried up. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop me your comment, turn on your bell notification, and don't forget to like the video. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. So at this point, I'm just going to stir a little, then I will go in with the goat meat stock. Then after adding it, I'm just going to stir. Then I will add in some salt. Then allow it to cook for a few minutes. So the next thing I did was to add in some crayfish powder, Then go in with some dry fish. After adding the dry fish, I'm just going to stir a little. Then I will go in with the nicely boiled goat's meat. After adding it, I'm just going to stir, then cover it to cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment. So at this point, our stew is almost ready. So I'm just going to stir, then I will go in with my pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu leaf, yes. So after adding the pumpkin leaf, I'm still going to stir, then cover it to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy this stew is looking. And this was so delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and don't forget to also share, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.